Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A35, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. Then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles and find the power saving mode or toggle that is visible on one of the pages. Now it should be added by default, so you shouldn't need to add it manually by clicking right here. As you can see, it is visible for me right over here, and this is the default location of the toggle. So in any case, once you see it, you can simply tap on it and it will enable it. Now Samsung, that's not really the mode that I was looking for. Let's just turn it off. I'm gonna hold it, and in here, let's see, we have, there we go. This usually wouldn't be actually enabled by default. So now if we enable this, it will turn on the normal power saving mode. Now as you can see, there's nothing actually showing up in terms of information about the power saving mode. Previous Samsungs with the older OS used to actually give you an info when you tapped on the actual name of the toggle, letting you know what it will do. Now you have to hold the thing and you will get to see what gets to change when you enable the power saving mode in here. So going over it, background network usage, syncing and location check will be limited, and motion smoothness will be changed to standard, which is 60 Hz. And outside of that, we also have a couple additional things happening which you can toggle on or off at your leisure. So we have a turn off always on display, limit CPU speed to 70%, and decrease brightness by 10%, along with turn off 5G connectivity on your device. So those all will be enabled by default, checked. So when you enable your power saving mode, these always will take effect, but you can obviously disable those once you turn off your power saving mode. You can then change the settings. As an example, we enable it, and at that point it would only, for instance, the way it's set right now, only turn off the always on display. Now last thing, we have the limit apps and home screen. As you've seen, this is the what you would consider a super power saving mode. When enabled, it just kind of gets rid of most of the things like wallpapers, applications, and just tries to prioritize battery saving as much as it can. And that's kind of what you're left with. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.